This guy uses a motorized axle to chop lumber in a matter of seconds. Using a hydraulic machine, this guy easily put into small pieces this good lumber for fire camping. This guy uses a motorized axle to chop lumber in a matter of seconds. This wood machine is shearing good lumber and converts into plywood for better usage of lumber. This is the process of cutting lumber into a required size according to its measurement. This guy uses a multiple attachment to create an elegant wood design. This guy used a rolling metal in order to bend the metal sheet to get the perfect circle shape. This guy uses a chunking machine in order to repair a broken bracelet. This multiple metal attachment creates an elegant metal design. This guy uses a mechanical spiral binder to thread up this notebook for a smooth finish. This metal attachment is so perfectly smoothing the metal and creates a stunning design. This machine easily cuts and binds the paper to its desired shape and sizes. This guy carefully uses this metal bending machine to create a multiple metal hook. This metal attachment is specially designed to smoothen metal figures and desired shapes. This metal attachment is easy to use to create a spiral metal design. This metal attachment converted the metal sheet into a stunning desired shape. This industrial wire stripper easily removes and separates the copper from its components.